So I've got my hammock here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that it comes with. We're going to go ahead and put this together. Then I'm going to go ahead and go over the features of the hammock itself. There's only a few pieces of the frame. You don't need any tools at all. It really just takes a few minutes to put together. It also does come with a storage bag, a couple of hooks to go ahead and attach your hammock to the frame. And of course we have the hammock itself. So let's go ahead and put it together. So the pieces just slide in together. You'll notice we have one hole here and here. So when you see them line up here, you're going to take your set screw and just go ahead and screw that in there to make sure it doesn't move. Now I'm just going to slide in this last piece here and make sure all my set screws are good and tight. So there's multiple holes through here to go ahead and put your hook. If you'll notice, the hook is on this side of the hammock and not on the front. And that's because we're going to go ahead and feed this all the way through. And there we go. And then we can also go ahead and adjust this wooden bar too. But now it's ready to go ahead and be enjoyed. Now the hammock itself, it's made of really nice thick cotton. It's just very strong. That way it can support up to 2 people without any problem. But it is thick, but it's nice and soft too. So I've got it all put together now. It really only takes a few minutes to do, maybe 5 minutes at most. But I love the way it looks. The frame is solid steel, all black. And then of course we've got this nice cotton hammock. Also with this bar, this is all wood here. It allows the hammock not to flip over and it keeps it nice and wide. It's super comfortable whether it's 1 person or 2 people. It really hugs me really well, so I can just sit here and relax or even take a nap. So that's a great hammock, sturdy frame, nice cotton material, super soft and sturdy. Hope you found this review helpful.